Alright guys, here is an update video on the SMC 20-inch high velocity floor fan under the Hampton Bay brand from 2003. So at first glance you might kind of notice that the blades are more shinier than before. Also, you may notice there is less browning on the stand as well. Going to take a closer look in a bit. But yes, I ended up pretty much removing majority of the rust, all the corrosion that was on this fan when I first found it, and it pretty much almost looks like new. So yeah, as you see there, that's pretty much the work done to this fan, and I already have noticed that the guards are more shinier now as well. There is still some pitting going on the guards, such as these two areas here, but this is rust that could barely get off with a wire brush. And yes, I did repaint the blade. Now the thing is, this blade said the paint was chipping off due to the corrosion. So I did repaint this. I used gloss Rust-Oleum spray paint. I was thinking about getting Krylon 5X because that one works best on metal. But I just had to use whatever was cheaper. As you see there, it looks very shiny on this side actually. That's how glossy it is. And I'm glad this finish came out good. I actually spray painted this from a distance. Now these were the last parts to be repainted. The switch box here. I painted both sides actually. That side was just bare metal. And it looked horrible with all that rust on it, so I did that too. Now I have not gotten a proper switch knob for this fan, so this one from Elasco stand fan will have to do for now. There is the motor shells. I also spray painted it. I was cautious enough not to get any paint inside the windings. So what I had to do here, I had to spray paint this from the sides in order to not paint this directly. Now onto this stand, as you might have already seen, it's definitely an improvement from before. Although the amount of pitting on this is very apparent. As you see there, it did get very deep into the base, but it's better than with the corrosion on it, because I do assume this was used in outdoors for a good portion of its life, considering that the entire thing was just rusted up. Now my concern here is that I noticed that the blade hub starts to move a bit. I don't know if you might hear it. Let me turn this up real quick. Yeah. So that blade hub, I think it got loose somehow, so I might have to hammer it back. I'm not sure if that will really change anything, but yeah, that's the only concern I have about this. So anyways, let's run the fan. Alright, let's start on low. to medium. Alright, full power. Alright, there you have the spin down time. Not sure if you heard that clicking noise, but yeah, that is once again because the blade hub got loose on the shaft. Now I'm glad this is not one of those, but I might need to fix that for sure before I actually. I'm not sure if I want to sell this or not, because I mean, this is a really powerful beast right here. So I might keep this for now. But yeah, that'll be it for the video of the post restoration of the SMC 20H high velocity floor fan under the Hampton Bay brand, model SPF-20 from 2003.